Hello friends, now I am going to discuss the topic positional number system and non-positional number system. This topic is also called by weighted number system and non-weighted number system. I hope you guys must have an idea that decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal number systems fall under the category of positional number system, or you can say weighted number system, and Roman number system, Gray code, XS3 and cyclic code fall under the category of non-positional number system, or you can say non-weighted number system. Now let's first understand the definition of positional number system, and I am going to take the example of decimal number system here first. You all know that the domain set of decimal number system contains 0 to 9 digits, and so the radix of decimal number system is 10 here. And now I am going to take example of decimal number, that is 2, 4, 9 and 7. Why this number is a valid decimal number? Because all the digits of this number belong to the domain set of decimal number system. So this is a valid decimal number. And what is the definition of positional number system? In positional number system, every symbol or shape is placed under its corresponding position. And what is the position of 7 here? Is 0. What is the position of 9 here? Is 1. What is the position of 4 here? Is 2. And the position of 2 is 3. And in positional number system, this specific position in turn has its corresponding significant, or you can say weight value. And now the question is, how can we find the weight value? And the formula for finding the weight value is radix raised to the power position. What are the positions here? These are the positions. And how can you find the corresponding weight value? Is radix raised to the power position. What is the radix of decimal number system? Is 10. So the weight value would be 10 raised to the power 0, and next weight value would be 10 raised to the power 1. Next weight value would be 10 raised to the power 2, and next weight value would be 10 raised to the power 3. So these are the weight values, or you can say significant values. Now find the value of each of the position. And how can you find the value of each of the position? Multiply the digit itself by its corresponding weight value. That is, you have to multiply these digits by their corresponding weight values. That is, 7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0, you will get 7. 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1, you will get 9. 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2, you will get 400. And 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3, you will get 2000. And to get the final answer, add the values of all the positions, and you will get the number 2497 to the base 10. So in positional number system, हर एक डिजिट की एक स्पेसिफिक पोजीशन होती है, और उस पोजीशन के कोरस्पॉन्डिंग डिजिट की एक कोरस्पॉन्डिंग वेट वैल्यू होती है. और वो कोरस्पॉन्डिंग वेट वैल्यू हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? रेडिक्स रेज टू द पावर पोजीशन. और यहाँ डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में रेडिक्स कितना था? 10. सो वेट वैल्यूज कैसे निकलेंगी हमारी? 10 रेज टू द पावर 0, 10 रेज टू द पावर 1, 2, 3 एंड सो ऑन. Now I am going to take one more example of octal number system. All of you already know that The domain set of octal number system includes 0 to 7 digits and radix of the octal number system is 8. I have written a number here that is 273 and it's a valid octal number as all the digits belong to the domain set of octal number system. And now follow the same process that I just explained. That is, write the position of each of the digit. That is, the position of 3 is 0, the position of 7 is 1 and the position of 2 is 2. Now find the corresponding weight value of each of the position here. And how can you find the weight value of each of the position? You can find the weight value by using this formula, that is radix raised to the power position. What is the radix here? 8. Now the weight value would be 8 raised to the power 0. For this position, the weight value would be 8 raised to the power 1, and for this position, the weight value would be 8 raised to the power 2. And now find the value of each of the place. And how can you find the value of each of the place? Multiply the digit itself by its corresponding weight value. That is, multiply 3 by its weight value 8 raised to the power 0 and you will get 3 here. 7 multiply by 8 raised to the power 1, you will get 56 here. 2 multiply by 8 raised to the power 2, you will get 128 here. And to get the final answer, add the values of all the positions.
And you will get 187 to the base 10.
Now, let's understand the definition of non-positional number system. Unlike the positional number system, non-positional number system doesn't follow any rule of position and in turn its corresponding weight value for each position. Now, I am going to write some numbers of Roman number system, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now let's observe these numbers. If I start from this number and move downward, then we will be able to find some common pattern till this number. But what about this number? The common pattern stops here. And if I start again from this number and move downward, then again we will be able to find some common pattern till this number. But what about this number? The common pattern again stops here. But in general, there is no common pattern to write the Roman numbers. This is just my observation. Actually, in non-positional number system, every symbol is independent of its position. Every symbol, हर एक symbol उसकी position से क्या है? Independent है, independent होता है. So ऐसे number को क्या कहते हैं? Non-positional number system. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and hit the like, subscribe and share button if you like the content. Thank you.